All right, so that started peeling off when I tried to clean up the edge where the new drywall would go, but I've got new drywall in the full length of that wall. I've got this door back on the hinges, and then I've started moving stuff that's gonna live in here, back in here, to make room out here. So here's the deal, guys. I know I'm not gonna get it to 100% before I bring the kids in, but the part I have to remember is that in 2021, holy fucking turkeys, hold on. This is great. There you go. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's a little one who got left behind who's cooking to catch up. Yeah, there they go. Wow. So that right there is why the kids want to get back in here so bad. But what I was saying is that the summer of 2021, the kids lived in this house while this whole ceiling was gone. This whole floor was gone. The whole kitchen floor was gone. The flooring upstairs was gone. The roof downstairs was a mess. And we lived here during that. So if I can get that hung up, like I did that, I will feel comfortable enough to bring the kids in. I'm going to put these doors back up that she took off. I think I found them downstairs. I don't know where the hardware is, but minor problem. But I'm going to put the doors up for when they first come back, because this is just going to be a mess. There's a lot to do in here. But I've made progress. Believe it or not. In a scary way, this is progress. All right, so I've got open space to walk. There's the couch that was in the living room or in the kitchen. We'll see where things end up. I don't know if I'm going to use that bed or not. I've got Gigi's hutch back in the corner. There's a lot of stuff to clean up in here, but compared to where I started the week, you know, this is livable. This is livable. Yeah, I've still got some counters that I've got to clean up, and to get that all put away, I've got to get into these last cabinets, which are still gross, but I'm in the middle of killing mice as opposed to being done. This still smells like pee, but I've got the smoker back. My parents gave me their grill. I've got a grill cover I've got to put on. The old grill is full of beehives. So I've squirted them again, but I can't believe these guys are coming back. There are still bees that are alive on that after spraying it twice with the tetracide. So I don't know, like that thing's scaring me, but you know, I've gotten this all cleaned back up. It's so close to being livable with the kids. Obviously there's some serious stuff that still needs to be done before I can get the bank to jump on board, but we're getting there. But $17 per sheet of drywall, it's going to take a while. That's going to be expensive. So, but that's how far I got today. Ugh. And yeah, making progress. Almost feels homely. Not quite there yet, but getting there.